Hey folks, welcome to another video. In one of my older videos, we saw together the unboxing and the detailed review of the 930 Turbo from Majorette. So this metal collection was amazing. They did a very good job with this casting, and after that release they released another set, out of which I got myself the Ford GT, Ford GT40 to be precise. There were other castings as well as part of this set. I thought maybe first I'll take a look at this one, because this one felt a bit new and I do not have a Mark 1 GT40 with me. So yes, let us take a look at this casting together. I'll set my camera back again to a better view. Okay, so I think the camera is set now. Let's go for a quick opening of the casting. There are many ways people are opening this casing. I will try the same technique as I did last time. There you go, hold on to it, bend it wherever possible. Oh, okay, I ended up tearing it. It's fine, because I'm sure, just like the Porsche, I'm not going to keep the card around, just keep it in the acrylic case. This side is out. It's all brute force here. So there is this outer plastic. Okay, so there's no going back now. Anyway, there you go. So we have the casting at hand. Okay, some information material. Yep, this is not suitable for children under 14 years. So that is what this says. Let us open this up. There you go. First things first, it looks very well detailed. This is one of the OG Ford GT40. Just letting you soak in some of the details. The racing stripes. They've nailed it with the wheels as well. So the rear one is much larger than the front one, as as it should be for the F40. The front lights are acrylic. There is a good grille as well in the bottom. I'll be opening this up and we'll see much more in detail. Let's do that. There you go. So this is the casting. Yes, because it was screwed in tightly, the wheel is bent a bit here. And let's take a look all around. Yes, starting with the front, acrylic inserts here, and the grille is of a good detail. You have grooved tires in the bottom. This is supposed to be okay, this is supposed to have suspension, but it is struggling a bit right now. I think I know why. Let me try something. Even the wheels are, they are very stuck, they are not moving well. Let me see if I loosen this screw a bit, if it helps. Okay, just one turn there, one turn there. Yep. Okay, not too much. Does this help? Not really. Okay, so it does not move smooth. In fact, it rolls very bad. The tire is not inserted very well. Okay, maybe there is something I can do later. I could open this up and maybe see what's stopping it. Let us just take a look at the construction, the remaining part. The interiors are much detailed. They are very detailed. You have the shiny red, you can even see it glittering. So the rear lights are not painted. So I don't think it will need to be, but I'll just check the original pictures and see if it should be, to make it look better. Okay, so twin exhausts in the center. Yep, you have the engine detail there. Of course these do not open, but you have the gullwing type doors. So that's good. Okay, so in the bottom, let me just try to open it up fully. So that's, this is, I really appreciate Majorette doing this again. This really feels like I have more control over the car itself. Yes, so what is stopping it from rolling? Okay, so it is probably this suspension mechanism that almost all Majorettes have. This is a bit too tight for it to roll. So that's the reason this isn't rolling. See, it is very tight here. This is, I don't think this is something I can fix with loosening, because it is in the base. Only thing is we probably will have to open this up and somehow bend it a bit more so that it can move. On its own it is just okay. I'll fix it back for now. But yes, if you do intend to keep this for show, like I did for the 930 Turbo, then I don't see why you shouldn't buy this. This is a very good casting and it represents the original, the actual car very well, at least in the price point that it was made for. Yep, back to not being able to move, but it is fine. So let us just take a look at the casting specifically in a bit closer. So there it is. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. See you.